Hey you, what's that pink stuff behind me? You've probably seen it before. It's something called insulation. Well, what's this yellow plastic looking thing? That's something called a vapor barrier. It's 20 mil thick. What does this yellow plastic thing do? Well, let me break it down to you. Part of the crawl space encapsulation process, this plastic yellow vapor barrier keeps away moisture from your crawl space. It keeps away any kind of rodent. Plus, it adds more quality to your wood integrity. What do you mean? Well, less moisture means no mold. No rodents means no kind of activity underneath your crawl space, keeps the area nice and clean, keeps it dry. If you or any kind of handyman or contractor needs to go down to your crawl space, you're not crawling in dirt anymore. You have a nice, clean plastic area to go check out whatever that you need to do under your crawl space. So if you're ever building a new home or any kind of large remodel, always make sure your crawl space is encapsulated. That way you have a very nice, dry, clean crawl space under there. Keep in mind, most of the air that we breathe comes from the crawl space underneath your home. So it is extremely important, even for your health, to keep the crawl space encapsulated. If you want to know more, learn more, or just see more, follow our social media channels. Thank you for watching. My name is JoJo with the SOJO team.